York. Got some storms rolling through here.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Lancaster and York. Effective until 7:27 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lancaster, York, Whitehallstown, Columbia, Millersville, Willow Street, Red Lion, Spry, East Petersburg, Gallestown, Shiloh, East York, Stony Brook, Wilshire,
Red Lion's my area.
Bradley, Tyler Run, Queensgate, Valley View, Mountville, Manchester, and Hallam.
I'm actually leaving for Manchester right now.
Preparedness actions. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.